Oh. Let me see it. Let me see it. Oh! Oh! Wow, 2. Oh. What the fuck is going on here? Two things. One, yes, chocolate milk and wine at 5 o'clock in the afternoon are a must. And 2, unfortunately, I just scratched the shit out of my wheels. God dang it. I know you guys probably can't see that on camera. You see that right there? So I dropped a little bit of gas from the pump onto my wheel, tried to wipe it off, and all that dirt that's on there just completely just, wow. Great way to start the vlog off. Absolutely great way to start the vlog off. Damn. Was literally having an amazing day today. Absolutely awesome day. And this is how I start the video off today. Fucking great. Yeah, fucking great. The good news is I'm pretty sure I saw JW get some light scratches out of him and Cam's wheels the other day, so I'll hit him up, and I got a bunch of detail friends, so hopefully they can buff that out and get those light scratches out. But still, just what the fuck, man. The only good news right now is I saw a bunch of people up at the tint shop, so that's where we're at. Hello. Pulling up to the shop. People outside already. Whoa. Y'all working in here. Where's everybody at?
Oh, you in here?
Oh, this is your shop now? Hold on.
What's up?
Hell yeah. You don't even know who you are. Hello, what's going on? You doing all right? Working today. Who's over here? Another friend? Hell yeah. Hey, y'all working on something big. That's money right there.
Bread.
That's bread. Hell yeah. Where'd they go?
They went to...
CODY works. Okay. They're gonna be there for a while, I bet. Damn. I just scratched the hell out of one of my wheels, like real bad. So I was at the gas pump and I got a little gas on my wheel. So I took one of the little paper towels and went to go like wipe the gas off. And I guess it has some dirt and little pieces of dirt and sand or whatever stuck on the wheel. And I rubbed it in and it just, oh, it was, yeah.
So that's something to polish out or what?
I feel like it would be. So that's why, you know, hopefully maybe one day I can come over here and we can try and get that out. I'll show it to you in a minute, but I was having such a great day. And then something like that happens, but you gotta, you know, you gotta roll with the punches and keep the positivity moving. Keep it going.
Yeah, right.
So we're gonna put that in the past. We're gonna get it fixed one day. Here, we'll go look at it real quick. It's on this back wheel right here.
Probably not that bad, man.
I felt at the time it's like, damn, really? And it's probably not that bad, but you see what I'm talking about? How it's got that just that nice little line, and then I went that way a little bit, yeah. It's hard to pick up on camera, but yeah, there it is.
That'll come right up, man. That ain't that bad.
Cool. I was so scared. I was having such a great day. Got my girl some wine and some chocolate milk, and then I come outside and do that. I'm like, damn. But we'll move past. It is really raining. Not really. That's dumb.
January 21st, so I saved the old page, but today is June 24th. We're signing it. friend here is from Japan. You shout out to him. That's fucking awesome. Sign that shit.
Yeah, of course.
We'll be millionaires.
Literally speak whatever you want into existence. That's how life works.
Hell yeah.
More millionaires right here in the making.
Well, one of the reasons I like to keep this notebook is I'm a very firm believer of when you have ideas in your head, they're just dreams. And when you take it and you write it down, it becomes something that you can hold. It's not a dream anymore. It's tangible. It's something that it's a goal at that point. So I keep this notebook of everything ever to really just, because that's what I believe. You write something down and it becomes realistic. It becomes doable. It becomes a goal at that point. So let's get this fucking bread. Y'all ain't know my dog was like this though. Y'all ain't know my dog did it like this. That's crazy. I like that. Done by All In Cars. It's an invisible Camaro. Hey, that's pretty cool though. I fuck with that. The camo.
Yeah, it's alright.
I like that. I like that. All In Cars. Y'all go follow him on Instagram for real.
I mean, it's real good.
Ooh.
Here right now.
Ooh. The man himself. Look at that cute guy right there. Oh, look, dropping stuff. He's getting off. Oh man, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
What's up, buddy?
Oh, were you coming in for a hug?
No,
Oh, I was about to. I smell like a tire shop. What's wrong with that? You know, Christina actually gets pissed at me all the time because I smell like tires all the time.
Well, for being a man and working?
My hands look like this, so hers can look like that.
Yeah.
You damn right. You fucking right. I like to cuss. I like to cuss sometimes. It's funny, sometimes in my videos I'll say like, what the freak? I'm trying not to cuss as much and then turn around and say, let's get this fucking bread.
But then you got Dan over here. F this, F that, fuck this, that. Yeah.
Well, it's on YouTube, you can, instead of them like going through and like, you can pre-rate your videos on YouTube now. So you go through and say,
No shit.
I have this level of bad language, I have this level of sexual content, illegal, like you can go through and like rate it all.
100%
and
sexual.
like the better that you rate it, the closer you rate it to where their rating is, they pay you more, they start to,
What about the ad?
yeah, so like the better your ratings are, if your ratings are closer to theirs, then they'll start promoting your stuff more, because they start trusting your content more. So they don't take as long to upload your videos because they don't have to look at it starts to build over time. So it's been, I cuss a lot, but that's about it. I don't do anything illegal or anything like that. So that's just,
For now.
I don't smoke. People around me smoke, but I don't smoke. So.
Editing yesterday's video and starting some more.
Hey, buddy. You're so cute. Speak. You gonna speak? Speak. Oh no.
What?
What are those? Oh my god.
Swag.
Stop. Get them off of my
Swag.
rug.
So the whole point of us going to get the grill was so we could get the bow tie off of the grill, because we're gonna wrap the bow tie tonight with the vinyl that hasn't gone on the truck yet. But we're kind of, the wrap's not going on yet, but we're having some fun and we're gonna try and wrap the bow tie tonight. So, isn't that right? Right. Let's just say
You have a bad attitude.
she picked the most difficult color to wrap in the entire world. Let's just say that.
It's because that's texture.
Anything chrome is a pain in the ass. That's what I'm gonna say. It'll get done, but pain in the ass.
That's what I'm talking about.